guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be heading to the shop, seeing them performance. Pretty much gonna try to see if I can give you guys a little bit more of an update with the Ram. But if you guys watched my last upload, I stated on what I'm planning on doing with the truck. So it's gonna be a little bit before we actually get a time to be able to, hang and play with drive the truck once again, because I'm planning on just going a route where we could fully just be able to just go all out with this truck now that I have my new daily driver. So if you guys don't know, the truck does drive. It's not like anything mechanical on the inside, like with the engine. Nothing bad happened to the engine or anything, or transmission. It's just the fact that we had the steering rack had to get replaced, and obviously it's like $2,000, and which is what I'm fixing now. So once I fixed that, my goal was to be, I was like, you know what, it's at the shop now. I got a new daily. I don't have to worry about getting the truck back. Why not just keep it at the shop, get things going, and start doing like a fully rebuilt motor and thing like that. And also later on down the line, doing the HP swap on the truck. Why not do all of that now? Well, not now exactly, but this is like an opportunity, for me, even though it seemed like a setback with this happening, which I don't think, because if it wasn't going to happen, I wasn't going to get this car, a comfortable new daily driver that I have in my Volkswagen. So, I took it as an opportunity to say, why not? Why not say F it, just do what I wanted to do with it. But just so you guys, just to be clear, it's like, this is not like a quick process thing. This is something anybody that built cars or put money into cars know exactly that it's going to cost a lot of money to do it. And also, most importantly, it's going to take a lot of time. So you just got to be patient with me on the channel. I know a lot of you guys right now following the channel actually really because of the Ram and stuff. So I got you guys. I'm going to keep my word on trying to build this truck, which is what I'm doing. And I just want to give you guys an update every now and then. Like, the Volkswagen is not really like a car that I see myself modifying like that. Maybe we'll do a little bit things like tints, change up the brake lights, but nothing else really, because this is like a family car to me, honestly. It's very comfortable. I'm not going to try to waste money that I could be spending on my Ram to get it to where I wanted to be. But I'm on my way to the shop now, and we're going to see how things, hopefully they be able to give me an update. Right now, the main thing is they doing right now, just fixing up the steering. I think the steering rack or shaft, I forgot what the hell it's called, the steering rack. That's what they fixing up first, and then after that, we're going to talk about plans and things, what I'm planning on doing. But I'll keep you guys updated. Bruh, them boys got them things everywhere. Yes, sir. I'll give you a quick little update. I just did a deposit to get the work done on a truck, which is the steering rack. Get that out the way. It came up to $2,400. If you wonder if you got a Ram, this is like I think like a thing with these trucks, like the steering racks normally go out from my knowledge. But that's the first thing we're gonna take care of. And then after that, once this is fully taken care of, probably gonna take me at least, because I do want to have, before I start, I do want to have some money saved before I can start rebuilding like the 5.7 that's in the truck, and then doing like the 6-speed, all that stuff. I mean, going from a 6-speed to an 8-speed. So the goal, we're gonna work our ass off, like I stated, but it's gonna be a whole process. Right now, I couldn't go in there to show you guys like what was going on, because the guys they kind of working right now, and I'm not trying to, you know, be the guy to go there with camera and stuff in their face. So I just did my thing. I'm outside, about to head home. But these guys, if you in Philly, I'm telling y'all, this is not no promo. Me being real, right? With every garage I ever took my truck to, this is like the only garage that really know what the hell they doing, like with Mopar. I'm saying 100%. It's, be honest, you get what you pay for out there, but I know a lot of people most of the time complain about prices and things like that, but you got to understand, like, it's worth paying the money that you should be paying to get something fixed professionally. Don't try to cheap out, because it do cost you later on down the line. And this is one of them things where steering rack on these trucks, yes, it costs like $2,000 to get it repaired and stuff. But you got to understand, like, the parts come with a warranty. They know exactly everything I'm talking about, top and bottom, about these Ram, Mopar and stuff out there. So I'm just giving you guys free game. If you're in Philly, definitely feel free to check out C&M Performance. But I'm giving you guys a quick little update on the truck. But if you guys are wondering, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Peace out.